Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you I built out a MERN stack video editor in the browser using FFmpeg, WebAssembly library and socket.io. So we are running this application localhost. As you can see, we have simply running npm runtime. So this started this MERN stack application. So it has a front end and a back end. The front end is running in React.js, the latest version. As you can see, we are also using socket.io. We are also using FFmpeg WebAssembly library. So at the backend, we are using Node Express. This is actually the backend section. As you can see, all the files are customizable. Everything is customizable. This is the front end of the application of the video editor. And this is the backend. So right here, we are using FFmpeg ffplay library at Node.js Express. So this is our backend server in MERN stack. So I started this. So the interface is quite simple. You basically select whatever video file you want to select. So after you select the video will get uploaded in the backend section and it will display. And now right here you can select basically all these options of FFmpeg. You can zoom at a particular location, zoom in the video. You can change the aspect ratio 16:9. You can change to a vertical video. You can crop as well. After applying these changes, you can actually play preview. So it will play using FFplay in a new window. As you can see, at any point you can stop the preview, and then you can click add task. So right here, if you want to trim out the video, right here you can specify the starting duration and the ending duration. And now after that you can click. So you need at least 2 tasks. So you can combine all tasks into a one video. So now the processing will start. It will directly edit your video after applying all these. So just make sure that the length of the video is. So you can stop the video. So the preview will open directly in the browser using FFplay. So now you can see the video is successfully created. It will appear right here in the download section. And you can simply click the download button to download the video. So the video will get downloaded. So basically the video, you can see it's saved right here in the outputs directory in the backend section. And so it's in MERN stack. So the video will get uploaded in the uploads directory. Once you upload the video, the output will show right here in the output folder. So it's actually a MERN stack. It has fully front end and a back end as well. So interface is quite simple. You select the video. After selecting the video, all these options are there. You can zoom everything I showed you. So if you still face any problem after purchasing the source code, I will definitely help you. You can email me. So it's very easy for you to run this application. All these filters are also there. You can so add task. And then you click the start export button. After that, the exporting will start and the downloaded videos will appear right here in the section. And if you see all these videos, FFmpeg WebAssembly, we are actually using all these filters. This is the React project, the front end of the application. So we have also used Tailwind for the interface of the application. For making the interface, we are using Malter for uploading videos, Express at the backend server, Malter for file upload, and we are using latest version of React, Socket.io as well, and Tailwind CSS for the interface of the application. So this is the dev script which will start the backend and the front end automatically. So as we are running it, we can even build this as well to actually deploy this application. So if you're looking forward for a solution, one stack solution for video editor, this will be the perfect choice for you. Definitely purchase this editor. And so if you want to clear out every data, you can click this button. It will delete all the files on the server. And you can start it from scratch. You can even download a video from a URL. Just put the URL and you can simply download the video. So these are all the filters which are supported by FFmpeg for cropping, lens, scaling the video, everything. So once you get the source code, it's easy for you to customize it, add additional features as well. So here you can load the filters and click on process. So each segment, so there is option to process each segment here. So FFmpeg will directly execute all these processing directly in the browser. So there is no need for refreshing the page. It will automatically download the video once the task is completed. You click the start export button and it will take some time for the processing to fully complete, and you will get the notification once the final video is downloaded. So if you're interested guys, definitely purchase it.